Is your Unity player controller jumping too high? Like this? Let's figure out how to go back down. Welcome back down to my lab, LewyT Game Lab, where we will learn how to not jump forever. Okay, so here's the basic setup. You have a player character, and that character has a character controller. One of the components is the third-person controller script. I get this from the starter assets bundle that comes with the third-person controller. One thing it does is it has a grounded checkbox, and let's take a look at that when we're jumping. Okay, keep your eye on this grounded checkbox, and we're going to jump. Now you might notice that it still shows that we're grounded, even though we're obviously not. And the reason is because in the script, it is trying to detect if it is touching something, if it's landed on a collider. So it thinks it's sitting on something when it's actually flying through the air. And the fix is actually very simple. The character controller, or this third-person controller script, is trying to detect collision with a collider, and it's checking to see if it's collided with anything. And the character controller itself counts as a collider. See how in the scene view, the character has this capsule wireframe on it. That is its collider. And so it's colliding with itself. It's checking to see if it's landed on anything, and it's just checking around this area to see if it's touching another collider. And yes, it is. It's touching its own collider. And what it's looking for is ground layers, the default layer for the ground. Now, sure enough, we can click on the ground, and the layer is default. So it's good. It should detect the ground as default. But the player itself is also default. So the easy fix is all you have to do is change this layer to something else. I made a layer called slime. I'm going to go ahead and set this character's layer to slime. It's going to ask you want to change children also. So I'll say yes, go ahead and change the children to slime also. Now that should actually have fixed it. Okay, here's the moment of truth. We're going to jump. Boom. Oh, we didn't jump forever. Back down to earth. Whee! Jumping and not going into space. Okay, that's it.